Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then locate the screen recording toggle, which should be visible somewhere here. Now, checking one more thing. So it doesn't matter which side you actually pull down your toggles from, you need to do it from the right side. If you do it from left, it gives you the actual notification tray. Now, in here, it looks like we're looking for this toggle, the one that looks like camera. And you have a couple options. You have the settings folder, which takes you to the screen recording location, and also the record button, which I'm going to utilize right now. Now, once you're done, you can just click on the square right there to save the recording, and you can view it from either this little folder icon that was visible on that overlay, or by going into your Photos application. Oops. Let's locate our photos, and you can see it right here under Today, or you should also be able to find it under Library, and it looks like a camera for some reason. So there we go. And it's already playing. Now, I did show up Netflix as an example right here because after this logo there won't be visible anything on the screen, just a straight up black screen, and this is kind of normal for some applications which try to utilize a security and feature that is designed to give you security and privacy, let's just call it that. Well, let's be honest, it doesn't give you that in terms of Netflix, as you could probably imagine, as it restricts your use of the device and does the exact opposite of that. I feel less secure when an application can do things without my permission. And just to kind of point that out there, I am not signed into this application. You can see I haven't agreed to anything, so the application just goes on there on a whim and just decides to do whatever it wants on the device without my permission. Now, this is normal, and it's very good implementation for bank applications, so you don't get, for instance, hacked. But for apps like this, it doesn't really make sense. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.